What's up guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to create a lead magnet step by step. Welcome to my channel Aksaka Cheche. In this channel I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs and the metaverse. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Let's dive in. If you're wondering why you should create a lead magnet, now first of all, it acts as an incentive that you could offer to people in exchange for their email. It doesn't make sense to just ask people to subscribe or for updates. You need to give them something valuable in exchange for their email address, right? And also it could be used to gain list of subscribers for your blog, your podcast, or your landing pages. All right, so whatever you want, you're working on, whatever kind of online business you're into, it's always great to have a lead magnet ready for your subscribers. Now, here are the 4 top tips that you should note. First of all, your lead magnet should be valuable. What I mean valuable, I mean valuable to people who you are giving it. Okay, so if you are you're into cooking or makeup, it's more valuable to offer a lead magnet of top tools that you use to make up rather than say a free ebook about repairing cars. Okay, so you should offer lead magnets that will be valuable to people who you are offering them to, right? Secondly, your lead magnets should offer instant gratification, right? So the era of offering an ebook that's over 60 pages, 100 pages, come on, please throw that out the door. Thirdly, your lead magnet should be well designed. Come on, it's great when people see that you spent your time to work on what you just gave to them. It helps to amp up the value of what you delivered. So it's not just something that was not well designed. Then lastly, your lead magnet should align with your own business. Now here are sample high value lead magnet ideas for you. You could create PDF files of high performing blog posts, or you could give away transcripts. You could just take out your phone, turn on your recorder and read blog posts out loud. When you're done, you could just save that and offer that as an incentive, as a lead magnet to your audience. You could also create a quick checklist. You could give away a part of your product or your service. What better way to amp up sales than to give people a test of what they'll be paying for later on. Now you could create a list, or it could be a how-to or a recipe. It could be that you turn content into an infographic, or you could give away a valuable video clip. Now this could also come as access to a webinar. Now I'm going to show you how to turn content into an infographic or an ebook step by step using Canva. Great. So I just found this lovely article whose title is 20 must-have tools for small business. All right, so now we're going to take this document, this content, and we're going to convert it into a real nice ebook or an infographic. All right, so I'm just going to look at it, and when I'm done, we're going to 19 and 20. Awesome. So I'm going to scroll right up, and now the next thing that I'll do is that I'm going to head over to Canva. Right now I'm currently in Canva. Head over to search bar and search for ebook. Okay, all right, so these are several things I'm saying. Okay, so let's go for A4 document. Okay, I think I love this. Yeah, so first I'll need to change this cover to look like what we need it for, right? So put a title here, and it says 20 must have tools for small business, right? I could add, okay, and add say hacker Cheche. All right. So we need to change this image to an image of business. Okay. I think this could serve for me right now. So take that, drag in, go to crop, and shift it this way. Right. So if we zoom out, this is what it looks like. Okay, so 20 must have tools for small business. Okay, I want to take this out. So I want to make this to be really small. Take this out. Take this out. And delete this page, and this page, and this page. All right, so we have just this. Okay. All right, delete this too. So we head over to our text and click tools for business. All right, so we could reduce this font and drag this up a notch. Change this text, change this to letter bold. Okay, then go back to my text and the body text. Okay, say one Google Analytics. Okay, I'm going to head back and copy a bit of this. Okay, right, so we could just copy this. All right, so we could also work on the color. I could make this blue. All right, so that's blue. And so if we zoom right in, okay, this is how this looks like. Okay, just copy this and Ctrl V and paste it, get it down. So we need 20 of this. So currently I'm doing alternate left click and drag down to copy this. So alternate left click and drag down. So that's 4. Okay, so now I want to duplicate this page. This is how you duplicate the page. So we need 20. So we need 5 pages of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so get back here and all right, better. And this should be aligned to the left and to the left. Okay, so and this is equal sign. All right, so you copy this, Ctrl C, get back here and so to we have equal sign. All right, so that's that. So when we're done, we can easily come back to format and arrange everything and make sure it looks nice. All right, so this is 3. So Ctrl C, get back here and drag this to arrange it to the center. And this, move this up a little bit, and this to drag this up. Right, so I want this up, so I'm going to it's Ctrl X and get here, paste it. Okay, so 5 would be Odex. Okay, so of course you could delete this, or you could change that to your website. So I would have a purple blog profits.com here. Yeah, and so move this and this and this, so drag it up, drag this really up. All right, so we go for number 6. Okay, only focus. All right, it's going to see 8 and 7. All right, so for 8 I have Skype. drag this and so Control C. Right, that was Skype. Right, and so donate, drag this and again. Okay, so this is 8. So 9 of GoDaddy. Okay, Control C. That's 9. And for 10, then we have LinkedIn. I'm going to just number 10 we have LinkedIn. So we get back up and continue to 11. We have Slideshare. So I'm going to just click this and see. Okay, so for 11 we have Slideshare. Paste this, and for 12 we have Square. Okay, so just copy this and so 12 we have Square. Paste this. For 13 we have Uber. Right, so Control this, Control C, Uber 13. Okay, Uber here. 14 Harrow. Okay, so 14 we have Harrow. Okay, for 15 we have Jira. All right, so copy this, Control C, and 15 have Jira. Correct it, further. We no get it, comma. Alright, so for 16, get back here, and 16 is Hootsuite. So copy this and okay, get over here and so Control A. It should be 16 Hootsuite. The V, paste this. 17 would be Evernote. Okay, so this right, so Evernote. Okay, so 18 says LastPass. Copy this to see. All right, so 18 LastPass. So paste this. 19 WordPress. All right, so 19 WordPress, and then for number 20, so I'm gonna drag this up a bit and this a bit, and this a bit, so the net shape. Yeah, okay. So for 20 we have Quora. So I'm gonna copy this, Control C, head over to Canva, type Quora. Yep. Okay, so let's go right back to work on formatting some of this. Okay, first I want them all to be aligned, and this. Okay, so you get here decomposition. All right, so we could align them all to the center, then we tidy it up. Awesome, I love that. So if you look at it, currently it's well aligned, and also it's aligned to the center. right? So tidy it up. All right, so we do that too. So we click here, and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so first we align this to the left. When we are done with that, get over here and we click position. So we align it to the center and then tidy it up. All right, so right now it's been well spaced out. Okay, so we go back to 20 and we do the same for this. All right, so okay, so shift click and we select it, and we scroll down. Okay, all right, so we align this to the left like others. Head over to position, make sure it's centered, and tidy it up. Okay, all right, so now for this last page we do the same thing. So we click this and this and this and that and this. So make sure it's aligned to the left like the others. Head over to our position, and we click center, and then of course we tidy it up. All right, so now don't forget we had changed this, so I'm going to just head here. So copy this, Ctrl C, delete this and paste. Awesome, so it's very fast. Head over here, delete this, Ctrl V, paste what I have copied already. Delete this and paste. Okay, all right, so we don't need this page. Awesome. Now when we are done with this, if you want to, we could change this. We could change this, make it bolder, of course that's not necessary, but we want to make this ebook to come out really nice, look very much professional. So just copy this and make it bold. You could copy this now. Okay, so now we have done we're done formatting and working on this simple ebook. The next thing that we need to do is we have to download it. All right, so I could change this to 20 must have business tools. When I'm done, so we hit the download button, and of course I want it saved as a PDF. Yeah, so click download. All right, so we've downloaded our ebook, and we've been able to create a lovely so we have downloaded our ebook. So you can see here it's 5 pages of really nice professional looking stuff. All right, so this is what our ebook looks like, and I think I love it this way. All right, so that's that. All right, so I'm going to leave a link for you to watch a video of how I created a really nice infographic from web content. Okay, so just look up right now, you should see that just right about now. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments down below. What type of lead magnet would you be creating? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.